your girl Juliana Empire Official, and I'm back again with another amazing video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Let me say this video is fully sponsored, and if you want to learn how to get these sponsored products, go ahead and message me. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. So I'm gonna use this comb. I don't have a scissors beside me, so I'm just gonna rip it open to see what's inside of this box. So let me just adjust this a little, then tilt, so you guys can see what's I'm doing. So you guys should be able to see more clearly. So this is another hair, the kiss hair. So let me go ahead and open this one to see what's inside. Oh my god, I'm loving these products. I'm loving these products, trust me. These products is the best. Is the best. Oh my god. So this is a Brazilian hair, and this, let me see, this is a 10-inch Brazilian hair lace wig. So look at this, guys, look at this. Can't wait to install it. Look at the lace. It has the comb that you could stick in your hair, so this is really good. I can't wait to install this. And let me say, guys, I install my own lace wigs. Look at that, where you see lace. Can't wait to. Let me see what's coming. Oh my gosh, I got a little look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so good. So we hope you like our products. Please share your experience and let us know what you think. Oh, I'm loving it. And I also get 2 HD recap. So 2 come in this, 2 in this. So that's a bonus. That's a bonus. Oh my god, I'm loving these products. Trust me, guys. Please stay tuned to. Hope you turn on the notification bell, guys, so that you guys will be notified. Oh my gosh, can't wait to install this wig. This is really amazing. I'm loving the lace. This is what you call lace. This will melt so easily. Oh my gosh, can't wait to install. So let me put this back inside the box, inside this little head tie. Let me put it back in there to keep it safe. Can't wait to install this, guys. I can't wait. So this will be my next install. Let me see if this is a necklace. Let's see. I want to see if it's a necklace or an anklet. Oh, it's a necklace. So I will be putting on this necklace when I install it here. So I'm not gonna put it on, no. But I definitely will put it on when I install it here. So guys, I hope that you will stay tuned, turn on the notification bell, so that when I install this Brazilian wig, you guys will definitely see how it look and all of that. Love you guys. Bye. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you.